What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be setting off on my longest motorcycle ride furthest south that I've ever been in Florida. We'll be heading down to Blackpoint Marina in Homestead, Florida. Going to be rolling with a bunch of baggers and stuff like that, so let's see if the little peanut tank can keep up again. If you guys remember my trip to Weston, Florida, I was the only peanut tank, but I still held it down and came through with it. So today I'm going the furthest south that I've ever been on a motorcycle, period. So I'm pretty excited about that. Gonna hop on the Iron 883 Harley and let's ride out. Our ride would start at Cafe 27 in Weston, Florida. And after some pre-ride shenanigans, finally we were all set and ready to ride out. The excitement began to set in as we exited the parking lot and hit the open roads. First observation is that on my Iron 883, I was definitely getting smoked off the line. However, once we got up to speed, or highway speeds, the 883 was hanging right in there. But before we hit the highway, we had to stop to make sure everybody was topped off with full tanks of gas. And after a quick refueling and topping off, we were off to the races. Go peanut tank go. The ride down Highway 27 consisted of nice, beautiful vegetation. Before you know it, it was time to get onto the Florida Turnpike. Off we went. And like I said, the playing fields were leveled once we stepped onto the highway. Well, rolled onto the highway. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, how about that, baggers and lowrider ST? On a nice, beautiful Florida day, this was definitely just what I needed, and I was all up for the challenge. And soon it was time to get off our exit. It definitely didn't feel like we were riding as long as we were. And finally, we were here. Blackpoint Park and Marina. Okay guys, so I just made it 47 miles from Weston, Florida to Homestead, Florida, here at Blackpoint Marina, which is the furthest south I've ever rode on a motorcycle. So that's pretty stoked, especially considering the fact that I was with a bunch of baggers and lowrider ST. And as you guys can see, your boy was getting smoked off the line, but once we got up to highway speeds, kind of hung in there. So that's it. Right on. Hey. Tacos. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Had some awesome food here, highly recommend it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you like this type of content, please do your boy a favor, definitely hit that subscribe button, like this video. You can also share it if you feel the need to. But until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace up, 2 wheels down.